Right, I'm just going to give this a single coat, I think. There's no real flaws in this wood that we have to worry about. If you've enjoyed what you've seen so far, and I sincerely hope you have, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe or something like that. It doesn't cost you anything, it's completely free, and it makes a huge difference to us. And if you do want to be kept notified of anything we release, then you can hit the notification button. But please be aware that we do release shorts on an almost daily basis, so if you don't like too many notifications, then possibly that's not the thing. But please do subscribe. Right, we'll let this dry, and then we shall come back on with an abrasive paste. Okay, that's all nice and dry, so we're going to go on with the Northern Grit Abrasive Paste. If you're not familiar with this stuff, it does exactly what it says on the tin. It's an abrasive paste. You put it on, you smear it onto the surface with a cloth, and then when you speed up the machine and rub it in, it abrades the surface to a higher grit. I finished sanding at about 400 grit, and this should take the finish to an equivalent of about 1000. Okay, right, I've got my safety specs on, so I'll rub this in, start off at about 450 RPM and then gradually increase the speed. Okay, that's done an amazing job. Look at the chatoyance coming through in there. Right, wipe off any excess with a bit of isopropyl again. We don't want any of the grit left on the surface. For point of reference, the Northern Grit we use is food safe. I think it's the only food safe abrasive paste on the market, so if that's something that you're in need of, then you know what to get. It is available on my website. Links are in the description. Sales talk over. Right, we'll let this dry and then I'll come back on with our very own wax polish. Okay, all nice and dry. So back on with our Northern Shine gloss finishing wax. Again, completely food safe. Now this has a solvent in it. So once we've applied it to the surface, we're going to have to leave it for 30-40 seconds just to flash off and then buff it in. You can apply multiple coats, but how many is entirely up to you. Depends how high a shine you want. All right, we'll give this a few seconds to flash off and evaporate. Okay, all good. We'll do exactly as we did with the Northern Grit. Start at about 500 RPM and then increase the speed. Okay, right, let's turn this round.